a budget like we are, and actually everybody should be, whether you are remodeling an investor property like we are, or you're doing a remodel on your own home, I'm always looking for like some hacks that I can share with you, something that gives you a big look for a little price. And we did something on the front door that I love, and you may see again in another sweet tea season, and it is this side light, kind of, but it's not a light, that gives the appearance of a column, but it is horizontal slats of cedar. And it ties in this part of the house into the carport, and it adds a dimension to the house and an interest to the front door without us having to construct a new front entrance. This element only cost about $100 and took Levi and Justin just a couple hours to put it up on the side of the door. I would say for the impact that this provided, this is one of the best deals that we have in this whole project of the Coastal Farmhouse.